OnPassive is a global information technology company. OnPassive is a top-rated and most talked about topic over the internet among business communities, and that is making its rounds on social media as well. All the research which we did over the internet indicated that OnPassive offers products and services based out of the most advanced technology that helps a business person to grow their business swiftly and within no matter of time. Forthwith, first off, let me tell you this is a genuine OnPassive review, and I have no connection with OnPassive, or I am not here to sell any product or services to any one of you offered by OnPassive. So, what's the truth? Is OnPassive worth looking at? I would say yes, it is worth joining while researching for OnPassive review. I got to know that OnPassive offers its members a business solution platform equipped with AI tools with business intelligence. Review by Daniel Dube. A Bill Must production.